Bitcoin is hitting an all-time high and it looks like it's not going to slow down anytime soon. Are we in a bull market? Yes or no? This is not the type of video. In this video, as the title suggests, why banks hate crypto millionaires and what they're not telling you. Okay, so if you've made serious money in crypto, congratulations, but now try banking it. If you've tried this already, you know that you're a liability and you understand that the banks hate crypto. So this video is for anyone who's interested in crypto and, to be honest, has a lot of money. Now, especially if you're dealing with millions of dollars in crypto or a lot more, this video is going to be for you, and the pain points in this video you're going to relate to. If you've tried to bank any type of crypto, your accounts get frozen, applications denied, compliance walls everywhere. By the way, this is one big thing that we do at our company. Everything is very compliant. We make sure we do all of the rules, AML, KYC, everything is fully compliant and legit. So let's stop talking and let's break down why the banks hate crypto wealth and how billion-dollar firms survive this, right? Because many things is always the way the money goes up, they survive, but the guys at the bottom get killed. So in 2025, congressional hearings confirmed what inside traders already knew. There's been a coordinated effort to shut down crypto out of banking, right? The big traditional banks, crypto is like an up-and-coming competitor who's going to eat all of the lunch. So what's happened is that the regulators, they sent pause letters to the banks quietly urging them to freeze crypto operations. All of the crypto-friendly banks such as Silvergate, Signature, and even the Silicon Valley banks collapsed in succession. Not just from market forces, but from pressure behind the scenes, all to do with the rise in crypto and how much crypto banking is becoming apparent and in dire need. The rejection rates today for crypto companies at the traditional banks exceed 90%. We have more figures on this, but I weren't sure if it's been 100% confirmed and up to date. But for sure, the rejection rates are 90%. It's pretty bad. For example, even an individual investor with a very clean record are being debanked. Debanking is happening all the time. Even the exchanges, they are hitting this the biggest. The crypto exchanges, they know all about this. But as we have more people with crypto millions and crypto wealth, if that's what we're calling it, especially as Bitcoin's at an all-time high right now, I am sure there are hundreds of thousands of people looking to park millions of crypto in banks around the world, getting rejected. Sometimes they'll find a good option, sometimes not. I'm here to tell you, not just because it's my company, but it is probably one of the, if not the best options for you to get set up A to Z. We're not a consulting firm. We actually do everything for you from every step of the way. Obviously, banks are risk-averse institutions, so they don't like high-risk industries anyway. Crypto wealth is viewed as too fast, too complex, and too volatile right now. We know that in the future it's probably going to take over the dollar, but that's not what this video is about. There are three main crypto profiles which the bank view you as. So are you an early adopter? If you brought Bitcoin or ETH years ago, held on to it and got rich, the banks love this simply because it shows that your history is good, a clean narrative, and that it's stable. You're not a trader. So early adopter is fine. You're not fine, but you're going to get a lot more benefits than if you were number 2 or number 3. Number 2, a trader. If you've got dozens or hundreds of trades, a lot more scrutiny, you need full KYC, source of funds, and sometimes even a third-party audit. And number 3, the black market buyers. Wallet-to-wallet deals, no audit trail, and no chance of banking unless you deposit 5 million and still jump through fire. So again, most people fall into this trader category. It means a lot of friction, but it's not impossible, right? Nothing is impossible if you know the right people or you get the right service. You can get everything done legally, compliant, by the book. So it's pretty obvious why, but the banks hate the crypto profits. The hard truth, traditional banks, they're designed for 9-to-5 salarymen. People who they know are going to be on the books in 10, 20 years time. This is why you get college students with thousands of debt because they know they're in the loop of 9 to 5, insurance, get a house, put down a mortgage. So yeah, if you are a crypto millionaire, you'll probably get less chance of credit and all of this stuff rather than someone who's a college student, which is absolutely insane. You try to move 2 million from your Binance, the account gets frozen, you get absolutely fucked. Try to explain your trading history, they're going to ask you from documents from 2017. It's because they don't want your business. You cost too much to onboard and maintain. They just hate you, right? I don't need to explain this. You already know this if you've been through the process. So unless you've already been investing and borrowing from them for a very long time or generating fees, then you're not profitable. They're going to shut down the door. Anyway, enough with the negative stuff. Let's go to the solutions, the way that our business can actually help you, how we help people every day, every single week. Do not beg the banks. Build alternatives. Multi-bank strategy. So if you maintain about 3 to 5 bank accounts across different jurisdictions, if one drops you, others are ready. Now this is where the offshore and fintech world gets very complex, but not just complex, very advantageous. If you're running with a lot of wealth and a lot of millions, having different bank accounts, different passports, different citizenships, different trusts and formations, it's going to protect you so much. It's going to protect your wealth. It's going to protect your sovereignty. Private and offshore banking. Now Switzerland and Liechtenstein are very crypto savvy. If you've got a lot of crypto, setting up in these jurisdictions are perfect for you. The Swiss banks onboard 7 and 8 figure clients with compliance ready systems if you match the profiles that they need. Liechtenstein starts with around 500k to 1 million. UAE, Singapore and US setups also work depending on residency, transaction size and risk level. The one thing that separates our business from the rest is that we are not a consultant. What the consultants or these small firms do is they handle about 4 to 5, maybe 10 services. We handle the full range, A to Z. We have all of the options for you. Just get in contact with me and we can speak more about that in detail. EMI licenses are also come under the trading exchanges, crypto exchanges, and also iGaming such as online casinos. If you're a very big player, you would be smart to set up an electric money institution using IBANs, payment cards, holding clients' funds directly. It's just like building your own neobank. Setup costs roughly 350k plus capital, 100k in legal and systems. Again, this can vary a lot depending on your specific situation. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a lot less. And of course, never fringe on the side of being illegal. Compliance, compliance, compliance. Scary word, you need to do this properly. And again, you might go to a law firm that are talking about compliance, and what they will do is they will send you to a firm like us who actually does it. Or maybe they'll white label it, tell you it's done, but we're really the people who are operating it, and they put a price up on it, which is absolutely fine. And by the way, if you're a law firm who does this, feel free to text me because we have options to work together. But either way, it's about the clients making sure that you get the best service and you get the best option available in 2025. So we'll make sure we do all of this for you. But yes, document everything, transparency all the way, prepare full audits, make it easy for the banks to say yes. So to give you a quick overview and a reality check, yes, it's absolutely possible to bank and cash out millions in crypto, but not if you act like it's 6-7 years ago in 2017, right? Today's game is about infrastructure and compliance, and it's not going to change anytime soon. Beating the volatility of the market is one thing, but surviving regulation is another, and that's the most important. So you either get very strategic about how you show your value to the banks, or you build and buy the systems that let you bypass them entirely, legally and compliant. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is just me speaking about some stuff I know, just talking to YouTube, not financial advice or legal advice. This is not legal advice. Okay, since Bitcoin at an all-time high right now, you're going to be getting all types of people coming at you with offers, lawyers, and everything. This is not the time to wait. This is the time to act. If you're navigating crypto banking, trying to cash it out, or you want to build a structure offshore or onshore that actually works and protects you, we help entrepreneurs, investors, and funds do this nearly every day. Now, hit the link in my description for a consultation, or just email me and we'll go through more information. I'll set you up with our team, our operators, who will give you the exact price and the exact structure that you need. Thank you very much for the video. If you want something more like this, just comment below.